Good morning from Cradle Mountain Car Park. I'm now off to do canyoneering with Cradle Canyons. I'm not sure what to expect with this, but I'm really excited. Car park's filling up fast. It's only about 9 AM at the moment, so this tour starts at 9:15. It's going to be at Dove Canyon. It looks amazing. I've done it in the Philippines before, so I've not done canyoneering for a long time, but I think it's just a lot of flinging yourself off a cliff, abseiling, and just trying to survive. I'm nearly there now, so let's get going.
Cool. You guys can bring your jackets outside.
I'll take one. Yeah.
Good. No excuses. It would be good for the lockdown.
Down there.
Now start moving your feet down.
Well, hey, let's go.
Just like that. Keep your feet out in front of you. Keep walking your feet down. Yeah, that's good.
Yep, we got it. Whee!
So you're coming straight down
Oh.
onto this flat face just below you and to the right.
Sorry, over this way?
Yeah, straight down. And you're going to do a big push back.
Okay, ready? Ah! That's nice.
Takes your breath away, huh?
Yeah. Jesus. Woo. Bloody hell, my old legs were shaking coming down there.
If you want to just wait on this side of the river somewhere, like anywhere you can pull yourself up onto a rock.
Okay, cool.
Straight down. A little bit to your right. And we have had a lot of rain lately, which means the lake's filled up and hasn't had a chance to warm up yet. If you do get cold throughout the day, I'd recommend trying to keep your body moving. Tuck your hands into your PFD or under your armpits. That'll keep your hands a bit warmer. But yeah, if you guys, like, where you can, pull yourself out of the water while you're waiting, that would be the best thing to do. Scott already asked about the colour of the water. Does anyone want to have a guess as to why the water's this colour? No, well, kind of.
The sediment on the bottom? There's some
There's what?
The sediment on the bottom.
No, it's
the actual
actually
water's
the
clear.
tannins from the bushland around us. So it's like the same way tea or whiskey stains from the leaves. So yeah, from the bushland, just tannins. It is safe to drink, so please drink away throughout the day while you're getting all hot and sweaty. It's very slippery, but you're just going to jump across the river and grab my hand.
You can try it.
Good.
Oh, they're slippery, aren't they? Oh, cheers, mate, thank you. Sorry, I didn't see you. Oh, it's hot on the crotch, aren't they? These old things?
one inside me.
Yes. Hey. Right, I'm ready.
Nice, all the way around. So you can take that off
Yep.
and throw it back.
Feel like Tom Cruise. And then jump down that car seat.
Yeah, car seat. If the water pushes you into the wall, just put your feet on the wall and face it, and then just bounce off until you go around the corner.
Okay, awesome.
Straight from that way.
Woo! Ah! Sorry, I need a big boat. Yeah, all good.
Yeah, I swallowed so much water.
Yeah, I did.
On my nose.
Good for you.
Yeah. Right foot sorry there. And then straight down slowly.
Yeah, just keep that right foot to the wall. Hey. Thank you. Oh, that doesn't look too good.
Don't drink that.
Yeah, don't drink that stuff.
So then narrow off.
I'm getting speed.
Thank you guys.
Tight squeeze. We're good.
I'm stuck.
Then what's the river right? Go right. Go right. Yeah, we get to the beach in the water.
Okay.
Next to the right. Next to the hip rock. There you go.
We'll float to the right and to the left.
Oh, we sure went that way.
Go back. I'll tell you where to go.
Woohoo.
You want to go towards the rock shore. Thumb up. Higher. Yeah, good.
Right, be very careful. Beautiful, isn't it, down here?
It's amazing how much water is everywhere in the planet.
I'll slow you down. Come on, feet up. Good.
Sydney.
Bum up, feet up.
Yep. Higher than I imagine.
Yeah, just wait here.
Yep.
Just stand here. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, so left foot there.
Yep.
Right. Down there. Yeah, and then just jumping straight out over the
Straight down there.
Yeah.
Whoa! Ah!
down.
Yep.
Alright, just remember when you enter the water, knees bent, arms tucked in.
Yep,
and
so,
then
so like all the way down.
not like, they just have to be on your side when you enter the water. When
Like
you
that.
go down the laundry chute, arms in like
Like
this.
that. Okay.
And feet together.
Yep.
Here, just one hand on the rock, one hand on the log,
Whoa.
just push off.
Woo!
Strut down.
Yep, and then just
Yeah,
drop.
you're good to go.
1, 2, 3.
You got it. You got it. Come
Yep,
on.
oh fuck.
I tried to take a breath, and then we did one thing, and then I was like, I need to take another breath, and I was like, oh, go.
Yeah, it's got a pain in the elbow.
Yeah. I'm amazed they let people do that.
Oh, I know. Did it actually, I didn't know it was gonna like take me under.
I'm still like,
Yeah.
I got the shakes.
I was running out of breath when I landed down there.
Towards the end I was. Right now.
That jump's fucking hard at all.
That jump was legit, and then it gets really dark.
Yeah.
And I was like, where am I? Like,
It's orientating. Up on the log. Might be just Then I'm just grabbing it.
Stand up and you grab the black rope that the front holds the green line.
Okay, yep.
Now, with the feet on front of you, feet up, and we'll just go
Spin around. Alright, all you can. Thank you.
Your little crab hands cut the rope though.
Yeah. I don't think I was meant to grab that rope tonight.
Fine.
My crab hands were shit.
Yeah, just wait over here for now. Then you can take your gear off, like loosen, but keep everything on your body for the walk up. Broke the camera.
Where's he gone?
not scared at all.
No, maybe he wants you to pet him. Give him a little tap on the head and say,
Little
who's a good boy?
scratch on
Yeah, a
his
little
neck.
scratch on the neck.
Simply. Or just bite.
Yeah, he's solid. He's just
I
not
don't want that
moving.
beak going through my hand.
Yeah, I bet it would hurt. He just doesn't look too happy because he's only had like a little bit of wrap that accidentally dropped on the floor.